Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make this delicious shrimp and sausage jambalaya. It's really good and I can't wait to show you guys how to make it, so let's get started with the video. We're gonna begin by prepping our ingredients. First, dice 1 red pepper, then 1 green pepper, one jalapeno, two ribs of celery, some green onions, and 1 onion. Then slice about 1.5 pounds of andouille sausages. Next, peel and devein your shrimp. I'm using about 12 to 13 shrimp. Now that we've prepped all our ingredients, we can begin making our jambalaya. In a large pot over medium heat, add olive oil. Then cook your sausages. Once your sausages begin to brown, add your shrimp. Once your shrimp and sausages are cooked, remove them from the pot. Add a bit more oil to your pot and then add 1 cup of diced onions, your diced celery, 1 cup of your diced bell peppers, and your diced jalapeno. Sauté your vegetables for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of Creole, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Once all your seasonings are mixed in, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Let that cook for another minute and then add 1/2 cup of crushed tomatoes. After that, add 4 cups of chicken broth. Now only add your sausage back into the pot. Now that we've added our chicken broth, we can go ahead and add our rice. I added 1.5 cups of jasmine rice. You can also use white rice. Next, bring your pot to a boil. Once your pot is at a boil, reduce it to a simmer, then place a lid over your pot and let it cook for 14 to 15 minutes. After that time is up, your rice should be finished cooking. Now all you have to do is add your shrimp back into the pot, and that's it, you've made jambalaya. Now that you've finished making your jambalaya, place it in a bowl, garnish with some green onions, and enjoy! And this is the finished result. The jambalaya was really good, it was well seasoned, and the rice was cooked to perfection. You could really taste all the vegetables and spices that were added in it. It was also pretty easy and quick to make. I was surprised that it didn't really take that long. I would totally recommend making this. The cook time for the rice may change if you decide to use white rice instead of jasmine rice. Also with the shrimp, instead of cooking it with the sausage, you can always wait until the end and then add it into your rice 10 minutes in and let it cook for the rest of the 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!